welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. So I get a lot of requests for the like makeup tutorials. I used to do them, not so much anymore. I didn't go to any kind of makeup school. This is all self-taught. So let's start. This is just an everyday makeup routine that I choose to do. I like to use the La Roche-Posay. I don't speak French, so I don't know if that's how you say it. Sunscreen, I always start off with that, as my skin tone is very light. And I pay a lot of money to get Botox. And I don't want any more wrinkles. Hold on, let me go get my stuff for my eyebrow. Cool, and we're back. So first I like to start on my eyebrows because I don't really put like face makeup on that much. So I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills brush 12. And then I use the pomade Dip Brow in Taupe. So you don't have to be really precise about this. You could just like go like that. And like, I'm still kind of growing out my shaved eyebrows. They're almost back. Let's see. Then you always line it up like that and just make sure it looks natural. So you add those like lines so that it does look natural. There. See, it's like super easy. Now I'm gonna use blush. I'm gonna use Glossier Cloud Paint in Puff. And a little bit of this goes a long ass way. So just make like a little dot on your arm. And then you're just gonna take a glob, make a circle. If you wanna like smile and do one of those, you can, but I just got Botox like a week ago and it just set in, so I can't really make that many facial expressions. And when I do, it's like actually really hard. So there, and then you can like pat it across your nose for that whole like e-girl effect, even though people might think you're like sick or whatever right now with the pandemic. Okay, so now I like to finish my look off with some red lipstick. I can do like my eyes and everything with it. Like some people pat it on their finger and then they go like this. You can use any color lipstick, but I choose to do the rest of my makeup with this. So first, you're just gonna make a little triangle square, like that, and then you make a square triangle here, like that. Copy on the other eye, and you can do this with any lipstick. Usually I use Chanel because I'm fucking rich, but this one is some unknown brand. I don't know. And then you just overline your lips to make them look better because I only have half a syringe of Restylane in my lips this time. Not the full thing, because like I wanted this like Botox injection duo August special they were having. And then if you want to look like you're smiling, you can just add like a little bit like that. And then you're done. So, I don't know. I feel pretty and confident, so that's all that matters. Bye! My self-confidence is sky high, so